Hello and happy 4th of July, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Are you looking for a last minute dessert to serve for your 4th of July cookout? Well, I got a treat for y'all. We're going to make mixed berry crisp. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. It's going to be loaded with 3 kinds of fresh berries, and we're going to top it with a crunchy and flavorful oatmeal crisp topping. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. Perfect end to a summer's meal. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also, check out my previous video, Mixed Berry Sweet Iced Tea. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your oatmeal, your pie plate, and your fresh berries, sugar, because we're about to bake some mixed berry crisp magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have my fresh berries. I'm using a half a pint of sliced strawberries, 1 pint of blueberries, and 1 pint of blackberries, and I rinsed them. And into our berries, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar, a half a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will help thicken the berries. And we're going to stir these together until they're well combined. It will create a glaze. Alrighty, I am through stirring my berries. Now we're going to pour them into our pie plate. We're going to pour them in a 9-inch pie plate, and I spread it generously with cooking spray. And make sure you get all the glaze. Now we're going to spread them evenly. Okie dokie, now we're going to set the berries aside while we work on the oatmeal crisp. In my large bowl, we're going to add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in a half a cup of old-fashioned rolled oatmeal, 1/3 cup each of white sugar and packed light brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of table salt. And we're going to whisk all these together until they're well incorporated. Alright, last but not least, we're going to add in a half a cup, which is 1 stick or 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter that are cut into cubes and is nice and cold. And using clean hands, we're going to cut the butter in until it's crumbly, like the size of peas. Alright, my friends, I am through cutting the butter in, and this is what it looks like. That's exactly what we want. That looks great. Now we're going to sprinkle it on top of the berries. My friends, look at this beautiful berry crisp, and it's not even baked yet. And it smells so good. Can smell the cinnamon. And I love making fruit crisp. Simple, easy, and amazing. Now we are ready to put this baby in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for 45 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Mixed berry crisp. Don't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. And it smells heavenly. The berries are bubbly, and the oatmeal crisp is nice and golden brown. You don't want to dig in right away. Let it cool for about 15 minutes. And as soon as it cools, I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I have fixed me up a plate, and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, a strawberry, a couple of blueberries, and a blackberry on the side. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The berries are juicy, and that oatmeal topping is sweet and crunchy. Super flavorful. This mixed berry crisp is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And I'm going to grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Mixed berry crisp licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat. Much love and happy 4th of July.